Everyone.
Hi everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We are doing a toy review of this toy planes that you can bring at the park. Whoa! We bought this. We bought this at Amazon. There's two pieces of them. There's a red and a blue. I believe there's only red and a blue
Mama,
colors.
I don't know what
Yeah. It's very kid friendly. It's made out of foam. Oh, it's made out of foam. So if you get hit or your child gets hit, it's very it doesn't really hurt your child. Baby Rick, try to do it right. Remember what Daddy taught you? Look, 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 look. See, Daddy did it. Okay. Oh, very nice. See, good job.
Oh, I gotta get this red one.
Okay, do it again. So it glides really well if you just whoa, and it goes really up. Oops, and it gets stuck. So just try not to play when there's trees. So we're trying to get it, but it's very light and it's very kid friendly. It's a very kid friendly toy. It's not. This toy is very kid friendly. It's easy to it's very easy to make if you do it. If you get hit or your kid gets hit, it's not doesn't hurt really. So we had this toy for more than a month and I just want you to see it. Baby Rick, you wanna show the toy?
Mommy,
Wanna see it?
give me on the way in the playground. I get look at something.
Okay, can you wanna show this?
Daddy, show my friends.
Baby Rick, here, show it. So this has been more than a month. Show it. So it and we've played this really roughly. We didn't baby this toy. We played this at the park. We played this everywhere. We even brought this to the beach, and it's still looks very good. It's it's well made, and it's so easy to make. It's just like a few pieces that you just need to. Hi.
Hi.
We're here today to play again with the two new planes. Well, these planes, we've had this for a month. And as you can see, it is very child or kid friendly. It can also be played with a dad. So my husband plays with it with my son. And it's fun to do it together.
Okay, Mom, put your phone back.
Okay, come on. Go to Daddy. Have Daddy play with it. Because Daddy's gonna show how it flies really good. Okay, Daddy, show it Daddy how it flies really good. And you too, Baby Rick.
Higher.
Wow, it kind of like glides. And it's Baby Rick's turn, Ricardo's turn. Whoa, look at that.
Oh, it went down the hill.
Yeah, it's very good. I think this is only for less than $20. And it plays really it works really well. So when we're here at the park, this is what we use. It has a red and blue colors, so it can be played by both a kid and a 3-year-old kid and of course an adult. And you can play this. This is mostly for outdoors, not really for indoors, as it flies and it hits things. But when it hits the ground, it doesn't have that damage at all. Say hi, Baby Rick.
Hi, hi, Mommy.
Hi. So yeah, it's very durable. has played with this, many times here at the park, even at home. And we have steps on it. So this is the blue color, and as you can see, there is really no damage.
My telescope. My telescope.
Oh, it's with Daddy. Doesn't really get damage, even though how many times we have played this toy. Can I see the red one, Daddy? And that's the red one, and it glides. And it's it's very light. It's made of foam, and you can definitely use this in your front yard, backyard, even the beach. We brought this at the beach, and they used to have lights inside these, but they were damaged for the first day. But the toy itself is not really damaged. You can play with it really good, and it's fun. It's fun for everyone, for the whole family. It's very good. It doesn't it's very sturdy, very durable for indoor and outdoor playing, and highly recommended for parents. I think you should get this for your kids. Thank you. Bye bye.